How to turn on avoid highways on Google Map. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to launch Google Maps application on your device and make sure that you sign into your account. Navigate to profile icon at top right corner and choose settings option. Now scroll down and locate navigation. Select navigation settings. And here you need to scroll down and look for the option of avoid highways, which is under route options. Simply you need to turn on the bottom. Now Google Map will instantly recalculate your journey to skip freeways and take you through alternative routes. That's it. You have successfully set your Google Maps to avoid highways, giving you the freedom to explore at your own pace. So if this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.